started with video 3. So first it was the kit and prep, the box, and then it was the Amazon products, or the products from Amazon, and now are the tools from Amazon. Okay, so yes, this is what you've been waiting for, and let's go ahead and begin to pull out these items. First thing you're going to have is going to be the hand training, or the hand trainer. So this mannequin hand here, okay, you are going to, y'all please don't bring this box. Y'all please throw this box away. Y'all, it's just a box, okay? I know you guys love, throw the box away. It does not fit in your kit, okay? Open this up. You're going to need to take out your base. You're going to need your 3 fingers and your nail tips, okay? Right here. Don't take these out of the bag yet until we use them, just to keep them, you know. And then when we do use them, I would put this in a zip baggie that you can grab from the classroom, because this bag, it's gonna fall out, okay? You can buy a little container, but really honestly a zip bag, because trust me, your box gets ridiculously full and it does not fit. So that is your hand trainer. All right, the other thing that you have in here is going to be a little container that is going to allow you to put your gem, diamonds, gems, things. Throw this away, we don't need that. And it helps keep your things together. So whenever we do nail art, I will give you different decals, stickers, gems, diamonds, all those, and then you will put them in here. Okay, so this is where you keep those things. Then you have these no file nail tips. It's some random brand, okay? But I'm going to teach you the Gel X technique with these. It's just like a press on, but instead of the glue, you use the gel with it, okay? So these are for class. They are not for you to use on a client, or it's for class. Everything is for class. Once you learn the technique, you can take it and use it on a client, okay? All right, the next thing we have here is our nail art brushes, but these are our gel brushes. These are only to be used with gel, okay? Again, always check your packaging to make sure you didn't leave anything behind. All right, so here we have our brushes. Aren't they cute? You have a lot of options, and a couple of them come with the 2 nail daughters in the back, okay? So the brushes do come with the protective straw, y'all know, okay? I understand that it's new and you want to keep it. No, okay? Throw it away. There are some brushes that, I don't know if you can see, maybe with my black shirt right here, there's like a little hair. I don't know if you can see it. The little hair that's bent, I'm going to teach you how to fix that. So don't even miss, it's messed up. Boiling hot water will fix that. All right, next up is we have our lamp. This is not to be used like on a client, y'all. I'll teach you about this. But this here is going to be your lamp, your handheld lamp. You can take this off if you want. I find it fairly annoying, but that's just me, because I don't need to hang it on anything. This is a lamp, okay? Here's the light bulbs, and then here's the on and off, right? Why does it not work? Well, because you have to twist the back end to put the batteries in. It does not come with batteries. On the first week of school, I will give you or second week, I will give you the batteries to put in on here. So don't worry about that, okay? You will have batteries from me for you. All right, you have 4 files, okay? 180, 100 grid. You have 4 different shapes. So 4 files that you got going there. In this little packaging is this brush. This brush is going to be for a blender. Okay. So there's that brush. You are also going to have this little bag. You do need to take it out of the bag. It is your stamper with your scraper for stamp art. We use that for a lot of things. You also are going to have this. It's either going to come in a heart, a diamond, a butterfly, a circle, a square. There's different shapes, a triangle, but it is to bend nail art, metal nail art. Okay, so it's 2 pieces. Okay, the base and then the little stick that goes with it. Don't lose either one. I don't have extras. All right, next up we have this. It is a sponge brush. It is to do ombre blends. Now with this one, you do have, oh, that's not gonna open. You do have, am I gonna struggle? You do have replacements, and there's 2 different shapes of the replacements. Okay, again, make sure nothing gets stuck in your packaging. So these tips, you can replace them. You can buy these and, you know, replace as you go, and you just keep the middle part. There's a pointed tip, okay, and then there's a rounded tip. So you have these right here. Moving on to the next, let me just keep pulling things out. You have another clip. This is a second clip, like the one that came in the polygel kit. Okay, so you have a clip, you just have one. You also have a magnet for metallic gel. Okay, just the round and the rectangle that sticks to everything. And then you have your, I want to say crimper, but it's not that. You have one of these pliers. I don't know, y'all, but these are to pinch your brushes. So I know that's like a random thing to have in your nail kit, but it is something that we use. Alright, again, making sure that you don't lose anything, making sure you check the inside of the bag. Sometimes things get stuck. You are going to have 2 triangles, and these are for your gems, diamonds, things of the sort whenever we're working with art. You do have a finger. I call these a shrimp fingers because I don't know, to me it looks like a shrimp. But this is a finger that has the nail tip, the nail bed on it. This is a number 6. It uses a number 6 nail tip, by the way. Keep that in mind for your state board exam. But you can put your name on the bottom of it. And then you have a silicone finger. I would keep the silicone finger in the bag because it is silicone. It will pick up all of the dust and debris and everything that touches it. It will get on here and it gets dirty really fast. So to keep it nice, I would just keep it in the bag. Be professional with your finger, okay? Don't be doing silly things with it, okay? Be professional. This one does have the insert, so you can put the nail, so you can insert the nail tip into the bed of the nail, or through the bed of the nail. And the bad thing about these is that when they bend, once you bend them, or once they bend, they look weird. So try to keep it straight best you can, but I do suggest you keep it in the bag. Okay, then we have this. This is for when we do acrylics, and it's going to help give you your curve, like when you're looking at your fingernails, like when they're poking you in the eye, like they're going to poke you in the eyeball. It gives you the curve of the from side to side view of the arch. But this color is like what? Green, something blue, something like that. You might have a really small one or a bigger one. There's 5 different sizes, maybe 6 different sizes, and there's like 6 different colors. It may be gold, it may be black, white, pink, purple, whatever color it is, but you have a metal, it's a metal like straw, okay? Then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nail glues. Okay, I don't have more. Don't ask me for more. Once you run out, go to the store and buy you some more. These were supposed to be on the product kit, but I threw them in here. So my apologies. Okay, but these are the items that came from Amazon that were in this kit. Okay, so I'm gonna take these. I'm going to take them put them to the side, and we're gonna move on with our next kit, which is our Hey Beautiful kit.